During the summer after sixth form, I didn't know whether I should go into university for computer science, cybersecurity or software engineering. All I knew at the time is that I wanted to go into tech. In the end, I did decide to go with computer science because I felt it was the most broad and would allow me to choose later on which field I wanted to pursue. One thing about my university is that all first year students studying computer science, software engineering and cybersecurity go through the same classes and modules as each other. So if any of us decided we wanted to change courses later on, we could do. So a bit about me, I just finished my first year in computer science at the University of Bradford. I'm getting my bachelor's in computer science with a year in the industry or a year abroad. And I've decided to stick with computer science, so if you do want to find out more about my journey in computer science, then you can check out my website and leave a link in the description box below. So to be honest, when you are in your first year, the modules you'll cover in cybersecurity, computer science and software engineering, they will be very similar. So in all courses you will cover some mathematics, some introduction to programming, and in general you'll have very similar modules. I'll leave some links in the description box below so you can check it out for yourself. I'd say it's in second and third year where your modules will be quite different and you'll cover different topics which are more focused on the course you're actually pursuing. In your first year, there's definitely going to be an introduction to programming class where you might cover programming languages like Java, Python or C. There's a chance you might be expected to do some front-end web development, so these might use languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript or Ruby. So take me for example, we've used Java for the whole of first year, especially when it comes to making programs for solving issues and problems. The next thing is you can definitely expect some maths or an introduction to maths. This might be things like discrete maths, and there'll probably be some maths in your modules like computer architecture. You may also cover the basics of data structures and algorithms. So let's talk about computer science first. In your second and third year, there'll definitely be an emphasis on software engineering and different programming languages. You'll also go into more depth when it comes to data structures and algorithms. So in my second year, I'm going to have modules like database systems, artificial intelligence, numerical analysis and computer communications and networks. So in your third year you will be expected to complete a final year project. So at my university for example, there's been students who've made mobile applications, 3D fountain simulators, eye tracking software, security information websites, there's an interview translator. Just in general, it's a big project where you display the skills you've picked up throughout your degree. I can then choose some optional modules like cybersecurity, large-scale data, mobile application development, machine learning and software systems design and testing. However, in your second and third year of cybersecurity, the modules you cover will be different. So I've had a look at different universities around the UK, and a lot of the modules you cover can be quite similar. So you can definitely expect some modules on digital forensics. This is where you learn about the different tools and systems available used for analysis in the legal system. A lot of universities also have modules on the web and network security. There's also modules like database administration and security, ethical hacking and incident response and investigation. So in that module you might learn about things like security monitoring techniques, different types of networks and systems and how you can detect attacks. You will also have to complete a final year project as a cybersecurity student. So on the screen you can see the different types of projects that cybersecurity students can complete. Cybersecurity data analysis, data demonstration, fusion and semantic modelling. You can also expect to cover topics like fintech and the link between economics and technology. Honestly, choosing a university that allows you to change your course later on is a pretty good thing. In your first year you'll see which parts of computer science you like, which parts of computer science you don't like. It's later on where you can decide which one you want to pursue or a degree in. So I am going to end the video here. If you did have any questions or there was a topic that I didn't cover, just leave them in the comments. I'll try and make a video. I'll leave a link in the description box below for my website. I should have a post up about the differences for computer science and cybersecurity at university in the UK.